Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. If this is your first time passing by the channel, my name is William. On this channel, we celebrate the American automobiles of the 1950s, like this 1954 Chevy Belair. Very iconic, very representative of the 1950s. As you guys can see, 100% original. Very nice paint job, original hubcaps, white wall tires. This car has been equipped with a few accessories from the 1950s that enthusiasts like. For example, you have the ring guard in the doors in order to protect the paint. The original 1954 hubcaps, which in my opinion are very, very nice. The Bel Air sign on the rear quarter panel by the back door, and in the back, something that I really like about this car is the dual exhaust as well as the rear bumper guards. You have the rear bumper guards in each corner as well as the high bar in the center in order to protect the trunk, to give it a better look and to add more chrome to the already chromed out bumpers. The original 1954 taillights, in my opinion, one of the best looking taillights for this type of cars. Your driving lights, backup lights, obviously your trunk emblem. Over here is where you put gas. You open it and you have a very nice chromed accessory in order to protect the paint. So when you put in gas, you can lean the fuel pump on this chrome and you don't scratch the paint. Very nice interior, very original interior, front as well as the back seat. This interior was at some point reupholstered using the original fabric that would have been used in 1954, combining vinyl and cloth. As you can see, the inside of the doors are in very nice conditions, as well as the paint. This car was always two-tone, blue with the white roof. Coming on to the interior, I want to show you guys the original steering wheel with the chrome ring in the center for the horn. It works. You have that beautiful 1954 dash with the speedometer and all of the gauges that tell you the temperature, the gasoline, the battery, oil pressure, a clock, the radio with a glove compartment, glove box. 1954 was actually the last year for this generation of Chevrolet Bel Air. Up until 1954, all of these cars came equipped with a 6-inline, full pressurized oil engine. As you can see, the engine in this car is very nice. Original gray color. Original carburetor cleaner. 1-barrel carburetor. This car originally came equipped with a 6-volt charging system, electrical system. But this one has been improved and upgraded to a 12-volt system with an alternator. You have the original horns, original radiator, and also beautiful split phantom headers. Overall, it's a very nice car. Let's go ahead and start the car. That way you guys can hear the engine running. It sounds like a sewing machine, very, very low idle. You could even count the blades on the radiator fan. Like I mentioned, this car is equipped with a 3-speed on the column, but they also came with a power glide transmission. We'll go ahead and open the ignition switch. I want you to listen to the exhaust in this car. It sounds very, very nice. It runs very nice too. I like the dual exhaust with the split manifold. It gives the car that old school sound. Very, very nice car. Guys, this car is for sale. It's located in Miami, Florida. The owner is asking $22,000. And right in the bottom of the screen, I'm gonna be sharing his phone number. That way you guys can call him, do a FaceTime video call if there's anything that we forget to show in the video. And obviously you can talk about prices and see to what arrangement you guys can get to. I want you to see how good this engine runs. Very nice. White wall tires, like I mentioned. All of the stainless in the car is in great conditions. Very, very nice car. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, don't forget to give this video a like. If it is your first time passing by this channel and you don't know who we are, my name is William, and this channel is dedicated to the American automobiles of the 1950s and keeping alive the 1950s nostalgia when it comes to these classic cars. Don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow us all over social media as Generation Old School, not only here on YouTube, but also on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this car ends up in a new home and continues to live up to the expectation of every single person that has driven this car. It's a very good car. Thank you guys for watching.